Have you packed your suitcase? Yes? Here we go again, guys. I've already packed my suitcase, so this is my small suitcase since it's only a day trip, Saturday to Sunday. Got lighting for some night videos, so we're gonna have a bonfire today at Sentul. Going to Richie house at Sentul. My drone and my GoPro is all packed up. Let's get going.
One pair of pants later.
We are at Richie Lake House, and apparently there is a secret cafe here called Anthology, which doesn't have any sign nor direction. Fail on the marketing department, obviously.
Ben, kamu biasain Ben, aduh.
Tara. So this is Richie Lake House. Oh, there's a cat. Eye of the tiger. Water not very inviting, especially if you just came back from Belitung. Soy Bakehouse. Vegan, gluten-free, and cat-friendly apparently. So definitely not my thing. We are. Good job in letting us know where you are, guys. Playground. It's quite a unique setting for a cafe here. Very secluded. Not really. You're right by the main road, but still quite serene. Ellen drinking hot chocolate, drinking avocado. Eben mau ice cream?
Mau apa mau french fries?
Nice view from our villa, which is the Richie house number 2, right by the restaurant and the swimming pool. Overlooking Gunung Salak, I think. Is that Gunung Salak? Or is that Gunung Salak? I'm not so sure. One of them is Gunung Salak, one of them is Gunung Putri. House tour. Jadi ini kamar utamanya. Boleh masuk dong, Ku?
Boleh.
Nggak bayar dong. Masih. Ada sofanya.
Iya, kamar renang. Oh, kamar renangnya di situ. Belakang gitu.
Ada kitchennya. Sudah satu kamar mandi di bawah. And most of the bedrooms are upstairs.
What, seriously? Recording again?
Hah?
Seriously?
Iya dong.
Have you even went up before? Have you went here?
Hah?
Here, this
Oh,
floor.
Meme udah lihat Uncle punya vlog yang di Belitung belum? Belum ya? Found Jackson!
Jackson! So, Brandon went to get something in the car.
This is where we will be staying if we decide to stay.
Seriously, Jackson! Jackson! What?
Huh. The kids are playing hide and seek. This is where the twin will be sleeping. And that's it.
No, 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 no.
There's our cars.
No.
Whoa. So there's the pool area and the restaurant, which is closed now, but should be open tomorrow. That's our house, Richie House 2. Let's have a tour around the property. So behind us is our villa, Richie number 2, and these are all the other villas. Richie House 4, they make it like, oh, sini ada parkiran juga ya. Iya. Make it like an enchanted garden right here. There's an enchanted chicken right there, and enchanted house number 5 and number 6. So yeah, quite a private and exclusive area. This is a huge parking area right here, and I think that's it. This is all the villa area. Oh no, there are other houses downstairs, but too lazy to go there. I think there's only one more. I think that's Richie House number 1. So apparently this is Richie House 1 near the playground. Whoa guys, there is a tornado coming! Oh, and what cage is this? Whose house are you supposed to be? A rabbit? Something? Guys, pada saat kita gathering di luar jauh-jauh, we need to do activities yang kita nggak bisa lakuin di Jakarta, like watching TV together, Ini di Jakarta nggak ada TV ukuran ini, jadi you can only do this here. Netflix juga cuman ada di Sentul, by the way. Malam ini kita dibantu sama bapak-bapak ini untuk memasak. Terima kasih ya Pak ya. Oh, everybody is focusing on their dinner. Oh, yang ini udah habis lauknya. Masih di depan masih banyak.